ActiveCampaign and Brevo, two major players in email and marketing automation. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, ActiveCampaign, offering powerful automations and an advanced CRM for ambitious teams. And on the right, Brevo, user-friendly, affordable email and SMS built for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. So here's our game plan. Think of this like a mind map. We're comparing ActiveCampaign and Brevo across 6 big categories: price and free plan, automation and CRM, email marketing features, integrations and ecosystem, ease of use and onboarding, and reporting and analytics. Ready? Let's hit each one step by step. So, first up, price and free plan. Okay, ActiveCampaign is pretty competitive if you need the fancy stuff. And you do get a 14-day free trial, which is nice for testing things out without any commitment. But big caveat, there's no forever free plan. Also, their pricing goes up quickly if your contacts list gets huge, which might sting for bigger audiences. Now, Brevo steps in, and honestly, this is where it shines. You get a really generous free plan, 300 emails a day, totally free every single day, which is kind of wild. Paid plans start at just $9 a month, so it's super friendly for budgets. Plus, it charges by email volume, not by how many contacts you have, so you don't feel punished for growing your audience. FYI, some fancy features need paid add-ons, but overall, Brevo takes the win on price and free plan. If you're watching your wallet, this is the one. Now, onto automation and CRM. ActiveCampaign, oh man, this is its bread and butter. You get those crazy advanced automations, like splitting flows into A, B, C, D, E. Seriously, so much control. Goal-based triggers, and a built-in CRM that actually does stuff, like lead scoring and deal stages. If you geek out on processes and optimizing sales funnels, this is exciting. But heads up, setup can take some real time, and there's definitely a learning curve here. Brevo goes for simplicity. Making automations is super easy. Like, you could build them in your sleep. And you get basic CRM features for free, which is surprisingly nice for small teams wanting to get moving fast. The downside? Advanced stuff is kind of limited, and CRM is just basic compared to ActiveCampaign. So, the winner for this category? ActiveCampaign. Hands down, especially if you want to go all in on automation. All right, email marketing features. On ActiveCampaign, you get more than 250 templates. It's like a candy store for designs. Personalization is pretty deep, and they flaunt a deliverability rate of 93.4%, which, if you're tracking stats, means more emails actually land where they should. Some advanced features do cost extra, but still, it's pretty stacked. Now, Brevo, simpler, but still not bad. 50+ responsive templates, and the editor is super intuitive, so you're not stuck fumbling with complicated tools. Transactional email is included. If you need receipts or notifications, this is a nice touch. The catch? Fewer design options. So if you're after flashy or wild email layouts, Brevo might feel limited. For this round, you guessed it, ActiveCampaign wins again for sheer range of features. Quick trivia break. Did you know Brevo used to be called Sendinblue? But they rebranded to reflect a bigger focus/vision beyond just email marketing. Kind of cool how these platforms keep evolving. Next, integrations and ecosystem. ActiveCampaign shows off with 950+ integrations. Seriously, almost anything you might connect, it's covered. Plus, it's got strong support for e-commerce stores and even migration help, like live support if you're switching over. Just watch out, some integrations do cost extra, which can add up. Brevo, meanwhile, keeps essentials on board. It integrates with the usual suspects, supports SMS, landing pages, and chat natively, which is nice if you want everything in one spot. But overall, fewer third-party integrations compared to ActiveCampaign. So for those who want to hook up lots of different tools, ActiveCampaign is the clear choice here. Let's talk ease of use and onboarding. ActiveCampaign looks super modern, and there are tons of guides and learning material out there. But real talk, it's got a steeper learning curve, especially if you want those top-level automations. It's not plug and play. It takes time to get comfy. Contrast that to Brevo, and it honestly feels almost effortless. The dashboard is ridiculously intuitive, the setup's lightning fast, and there's live chat in case you get stuck. The downside? Fewer deep customizations if you're an advanced user. But if you want something you can get up and running today, Brevo wins this one. Last major category, reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign is like carrying around a magnifying glass. You get deep analytics, open rates, click rates, all those metrics you actually want, plus advanced segmentation and reporting. Only thing, the really fancy reports aren't included on the starter packages, so keep that in mind. Brevo keeps things simple, with clear metrics for campaigns and nice user-friendly dashboards, but reporting's pretty basic. Less filtering, less slicing and dicing data. So if you're obsessed with stats or campaign optimization, ActiveCampaign gets the nod here. Visual time! Imagine a radar chart showing how ActiveCampaign and Brevo measure up in each category. You'll see ActiveCampaign dominating in power features, automation, and analytics. Brevo's got the edge on price and how easy it is to dive in. It's a pretty clear visual. So, bottom line, if you want deep automations, robust CRM, and advanced reporting, ActiveCampaign is the go-to for growing brands, or anyone with big marketing plans. But if you're just starting out, keeping costs down, or want something hassle-free, Brevo is absolutely the easier, friendlier way. There's a winner for each kind of marketer. Honestly, just depends on what you need.
If you want to see for yourself, Brevo's got that generous free plan, and ActiveCampaign gives you a full-featured 14-day trial. So you can literally test drive both with no risk. And hey, if you like these comparison breakdowns, make sure you follow so you never miss a new review.